First of all, I would like to say hello and welcome to our science class. Today's lesson we are focused on solid, liquid and gases. Okay. After this lesson, you will learn how to identify what are solid, what are liquid and what are gases, and you will identify the properties of the solid, liquid and the gases. Okay. But first we have to see the meaning. What is matter? Okay. Everything is made from matter. Matter is the word we use for all the different materials and substances that make up the world. Rock, metal, plastic and glass are matter. So are soil, water and air. Living things are matter, as are wood, leather and all material that grew as part of plants and animals. Solids, liquid and gases. Although there are thousands of different substances, matter usually takes one of just three forms: solid, liquid and gas. These forms of matter are called states. Water flowing in a river is in the liquid state. The state of a stone or an iceberg is solid. The air in the atmosphere is a gas. So here the state and their properties. Now we learn about solid. So what are the examples of solid and what are the properties of solid? Okay, so here's some example of solid: wood, stone, metal, soil, rubber, plastic and glass, and blah blah blah. So here are the example of solid. So the properties of solid mean here has strength, require force to bend, stretch and break. Okay, has fixed size and shape, can be compressed. Okay, so look at the tin here. It is very hard, and also we can compress it. Okay, make it become shape. Okay, so here are the example of solids and the properties. Example and properties of solids. The state and their properties. Here the examples and properties of liquid. Okay, so what are the example and properties of liquid? Example like oil, milk, water, syrup, honeybee, blah 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 are the example of liquid. So the properties of the liquid: pour and flow. Yes, okay, pour and flow. Expand to fill its containers. Okay, so it can take shape to the its container. If you pour water into the glass, so the water shaped like glass. If you pour water in the square box, so the water takes shape like the square box. So it respect to its container. Okay, take the shape of its containers. Yes. So the properties like water flow. Okay, so up and to down. Okay. So what are the example and properties of gases? The example of gas: air, smoke, wind, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and vapor, blah blah blah. And the properties of gases like usually invisible, that you cannot see, can be compressed in a smaller shape, a smaller space. Okay, so here the water vapor, it is a gas, and also gases can compress into the smaller space. Like you can put a lot of air into the football, okay, and then you can weigh it like this football can weigh like 4 kilograms of air inside. Okay, so air can compress. Yeah, also in the wheel. So here the quiz, everyone, the practice, and then you have to classify those 10 words in the box into the correct section. First section is solid, something is hard. Liquid, something like water can flow, and gases, something is invisible. like air or wind. Okay, so please place the 10 word into the correct section. Okay, first we are looking at the word tea. So tea must go to what? Tea must go to liquid. Yes. Okay. Book must go to solid. Juice must go to liquid. Yeah. Air must go to gas. Water vapor must go to gas. Water must go to liquid. Ice must go to solid. Saliva must go to liquid. Smoke from a car must go to gas. And the last one table, it must go to solid. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or click like and notification bell for my new videos about the science. Thank you very much for watching from the beginning until the end of the lesson. Okay, thank you. Good luck.